Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be as bright as the sun. Come, won't you come along? And it feels so bright, it's like luck is raining on me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. There is so much love to give, something's telling me this time. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. It's you and me on this beautiful day, and I'm smiling, holding on to you tight. I guess our hearts can align, and it feels so bright. It's like your love has gotten to me. Go and follow your heart, doesn't matter how far. I can see it now, it's deep in your eyes. No way to define what we feel inside. Baby, baby, now I know. Baby, baby, gotta go. There is so much love to give, something's telling me it's right. When you came to me, oh I knew it's you, yeah, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. Don't worry of tomorrow, for now you're everything in my day. I love the way you like a song, you know my heart. Cause you know me, know my heart. You're everything in my day. I love the way you know my heart. Yeah, alright. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. I can let you know that you're my boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. I will love you every day. As long as you're in my arms, boy. The one who showed me now and forever. No, you'll never be alone again. All day, oh yeah, all day. Please stay in my arms, boy. The one who showed me if we're together. It don't matter if it rains. All day, oh yeah, all day. As long as you're in my arms. Do you wanna know? Well, I've been thinking about you, and I think I'll have to listen, because the sun is up, it's a beautiful day. My beginning will be.
Say hi. 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 Hey. Não sei o que. Stick your butt. And the bed. Go get his stuff ready. Go back, baby.
갑자기 내게 나타나준 너. 난 아무 말도 할 수가 없었지. 첫눈에 반한다는 이야기가 널 보는 순간 이해가 됐어. 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 내 맘을 고백하려고 타이밍만 보는 나. 그런 나를 넌 보며 왜 그래 시간은 계속 흘러만 가고 기다리다 지쳐 그만 널 놓칠까봐 하지만 성급한 나의 고백을 넌 거절할까 두려워서 매번 야야야야야 불러 널 야야야야 네가 제일 좋아하는 게 뭐냐고 물어본 나 그런 나를 넌 보며 대답 없이 미소만 짓는데 I'm going 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 crazy I'm going 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 crazy 무뎌져 버린 내 가슴이 뛰어 I'm going 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 crazy yeah I'm going
Guys, welcome to this video. So we're quarantining. It's quarantine, right? Yeah. So we just finished taking his bath and it's time for him to sleep. Like, can you sleep already? I want to catch up on my, what's the name? There's this series I'm watching on Netflix that I want to continue watching, and I'm going to show you guys. I think you should, if you're interested in all this, it's a Spanish movie, and it is actually, I don't see anything else to watch, like, but I now tried watching this one. It's actually interesting. So
going crazy 어쩔 수 없는 걸 널 보면 아무런 일도 할 수 없는 걸 I'm going 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 crazy 오늘은 너에게 내 맘을 고백할게 내 맘을 받아줘 영원히
Auntie
I will
Chini.
slap you.
Auntie Chini, what did you make?
Oh,
Is this for me? Auntie Chini, is this for me?
No.
It's hot.
Hey,
You guys, my sister is making
not
some
a crazy. Not a crazy. Hey, God save you.
What are you having for breakfast? I'm in the parlor, you know. Please. I'm in the sitting room. I'm in the sitting room. Get me my food. Fast about it. Thank you. Are you frowning on me? Are you frowning at me?
I don't have your time.
Was in Coco?
Cinco cocky.
Guys, so my package finally came in today. It's the ordinary face peeling solution. Already. But I'm having bad acne that actually refused to go. Can you help me open it? This is the ordinary AHA 30% plus BHA 2%. What's the meaning of this AHA and P? I don't know, sha. But I've heard so many good things about this thing, and I've been having acne, bad acne since. So I'm
Me
going to be
too.
trying this. This is what it looks like. So if it actually works for me, I'm going to, update you guys on it. So keep watching. Yeah. So you guys, hobby is finally up, and I made him French toast with a cup of, is this tea or hot chocolate? Right. So please leave a comment section what you call this milk and Milo mixture. What do you call it? Is it tea or hot chocolate? Because I grew up calling this tea, and people say it's not tea. All this. Anyways, that's what he's having. Yeah. Hi guys, so this is like few minutes to after 5 or to 6, I don't know. I've been napping, I've been sleeping, like is this pandemic, quarantine thing, self-isolation is so tiring. But anyways, I want to go make dinner. My sister has already made the yam. I'm making yam and there's this kind of stew Sisi Emi made one time in her channel. I've forgotten the name of this stew. We put anga. What's the name of that fish? Banla fish and smoked fish. Then your vegetable will be uziza. Uziza and that used to confuse me. You know the one, that one that has scent, that one that smells nice is uziza. Yes, uziza leaf. So that's what I'm going to be preparing this night. I don't know. I like covering my hair. I just started to come and update you guys. DK is still sleeping and I'll just make dinner. Yep. So I'll see you guys later. I'll probably be ending this video soon. I want to buy a satin bonnet. I used to forget each time I go to the market. Because I'm tying this thing. I don't like my hair to be out. I don't like seeing my hair. I don't know. It has been annoying me lately. I'll see you guys. Bye. Guys, food is ready. And this guy right here can't wait to dive in. What's the problem? If you have teeth. Hey guys, so it's like a few minutes after 11 and after 11 in the night. Yeah, and I just wanted to come and say good night, and I'll see you guys in my next video. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and leave a comment in the comment section. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.